Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can dropship from Temu to Shopify. So first up here, we're going to use the AutoDS automation tool, right? So go to a new tab and search for autods.com. And then here on this website, as you can see, you can basically use this to sell products from Temu to Shopify. So you just have to sign up with your account using your Google. And once you sign up, you just need to go to your account. Basically, you will directly go to your dashboard. And then you'll find an option here to add your Shopify store or connect your Shopify store to AutoDS. So just click on this button right here to add your store. And then you'll be directly go to your Shopify where you can add and install the AutoDS app. Or you can manually go to your Shopify store and search for AutoDS with no space right here. And you'll now be taken into your Shopify app store. So basically, you can just install the AutoDS. And once you install this on your Shopify, then you will now go to your main dashboard. Now we need an extension here. So we're going to add a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. So type here Chrome Web Store. And then here on the main page, basically go to the search box and type AutoDS. So we're going to add an extension for AutoDS. So type AutoDS with no space, sorry. And then you'll find this dropshipping helper. So basically here, you just have to click on the Add to Chrome button right here at the top right hand corner. And it will be added into your extension tab right there. So once you've installed or add this Chrome extension, go back to the main dashboard. And you're going to click on the settings right here at the bottom left hand corner. And then here in supplier settings, add supplier and select and search for Temu. So it will show up right here and then select that Temu. And as you can see, I have just added the Temu. And here you just have to click on the add products button at the top left hand corner to basically add the product from Temu to your Shopify. So as you can see, you have 4 options: single product, multiple products, hand-picked products, and AutoDS Finder. So you just need to click on single product from here. And then just have to paste the URL link right here at the box. So what you're going to do is go to Temu website and then search for a product you want to basically add to that URL box. So for example, I'm going to select this one, Pillars Gummy Mango. So if you want to add this, you just need to copy the link at the URL box and then go to AutoDS and paste it right here. Once you paste the link, it will automatically change the supplier source into Temu. But unfortunately, Temu does not support AutoDS right now. So how we can add this product to your Shopify store? So what we can do here, we need to use the AliExpress as a supplier source. So you just need to add a new tab here and again, go to Chrome Web Store. And then we need an extension here that's called Search AliExpress. So go to Chrome Web Store. And then we have to find the AliExpress search by image. So just like that. So go to the search box at the top right and type AliExpress. Or basically we should add like search and then search AliExpress, and then you'll find the tool here. So you just have to find AliExpress search by image. So just like this, and you just have to click on add to Chrome button. So once you've added this AliExpress search by image on your Chrome extension, you now go back to Temu website. So as you can see, for example, if you're going to select this product, so what you're going to do, just need to right click on the image and then click on AliExpress search by image. Once you click on that, it will automatically open the results. So as you can see here, so on the right side, you'll find some results and you'll find some e-commerce shops like the AliExpress. So we're going to select this product here. As you can see, same as the Temu products that we have just searched. So we're going to click on that link and you will now be taken into this page. So from Temu with $1.30, it's more cheaper here on AliExpress that has $163 only. So we're going to copy the link and then go back to AutoDS and we're going to paste it right here. So it will automatically change the supplier source into AliExpress. And then here you have two options if you want to publish to store. Basically, if you wanted to go live on your store and ready to be sold, or click on Edit Now button if you want to make necessary adjustments. So in this case, I'm going to select this Edit Now Quick button, and then you will now be taken into the page where you can actually customize or edit your product details or add some descriptions for your product. So as you can see the title, so if you want to edit this one, you just basically select and then delete like this, or you can use AI to optimize your title. So click this one, this button. You can generate product title. You can choose a tone if you want to make it sound more professional or funny or networks. Or you can choose a temperature, balance, more creative or more precise. In this case, I'm going to just use the title right here, and you can change the shipping methods that you want, cheapest with tracking. So these are other details here. And once you've done, just need to click on save button to save into the drafts, or you can click on save and import to save and add it to your Shopify store. So once you click on save and import, as you can see, this product started to import. So you just need to click on this view details, and as you can see, the status now in progress. Now once it's done, it will now be changed into completed, as you can see here. So have been imported into your store. So these products have been imported now to your Shopify store. So if you're going back to your store, so here if you're going to products, then you will find the product that we have just added from the AutoDS. So as you can see, same product from Temu, same title and descriptions, and also the image that has been added. So basically you can just sell it to your Shopify store or add it to Shopify store using the AutoDS automation tool. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.